Reset the landing indicator so that the ball is above the bushing. Use 2 wrenches to free the mid-body from the lower body. Unthread the latch body assembly from the lower body, being careful to retain the landing indicator ball. Remove the landing shoulder. Insert the landing indicator bushing removal tool so that the outer sleeve pops into the landing indicator bushing. Pull back the slide quickly and repeatedly until the bushing is removed from the lower body. The landing indicator bushing can be removed from a removal tool by holding the outer sleeve back with the inner shaft exposed. Place the new landing indicator bushing into the lower body. Reverse the landing indicator bushing removal tool and press the shoulder of the tool against the landing indicator bushing in the lower body. Align the tool with the center line of the inner tube assembly. Use the slide to tap the landing indicator bushing securely into place. Install the landing shoulder. Ensure the indicator ball is in place. Thread on the latch body assembly. Use 2 wrenches to tighten the head assembly components together.